hard as well, but this group was the winning group. Who's seen the movie Annie? Seen the movie Annie? Right, hands down. We're going to be lovely and quiet for this group. Alright, I have to go through so I don't forget any names. 6 in the group. So you can have a group of 6 friends next year, if that's what you want to do, that's what they did. We've got Stevie, Piper, Sadie, Jasmine, and 2 sisters in the group, Summer and Danny. So let's have a huge cheer for this group. Awesome girls, and do you know what? True professionals, because Piper's away today, well, we couldn't have come.